Wine Guardian ceiling-mounted cooling systems are split wine conditioning systems that are ideal for small to mid-size wine rooms with no space to install a traditional ducted unit. These units were designed specifically for recessed ceiling mounting and fit comfortably between standard joist construction. This makes our ceiling systems ideal for applications such as wine storage displays with living space around them, or all-glass wine rooms. 60 Hz ceiling-mounted systems are available in two configurations with capacities to 4,300 BTUH, 1,260 watts, while the 50 Hz system is available in one capacity providing 900 watts. These all-aluminum lightweight systems were designed with a low-profile chassis to ensure a comfortable fit above the ceiling. The evaporator is internally insulated in order to provide protection against warm ambient conditions, while the visible air diffuser is paintable in order to match the aesthetic of the wine room. These quiet wine conditioning systems come standard with our touchscreen remote interface controller, providing wireless tube-based capability, several alarm functions. Wine Guardian ceiling-mounted systems are easy to install with a one-of-a-kind hook and latch mechanism that acts as a third hand during the installation process. All connections are centrally located at one end of the system, and the use of reusable unions ensures an easy connection process for the refrigerant piping. The heavy-duty mounting flange attaches to 12 or 16-inch joist spacing. Maintaining the ceiling system is just as easy as the installation, as all service is accessible from beneath the evaporator without having to remove the chassis. These units are equipped with a condensate removal system with pump and integral float and safety switch to ensure proper system drainage, and the condensate drip tray is removable and cleanable. Additionally, these systems feature a perfectly paired condensing unit that was designed specifically for our ceiling unit and provides standard low ambient protection. Ceiling-mounted systems are available with many optional features, including an electric heater for wine storage spaces that are subject to cold ambient conditions, extreme low ambient protection for safeguard against temperatures as low as -20 degrees Fahrenheit, -29 degrees Celsius, a freestanding humidifier, remote sensors for advanced temperature control, and serving temperature options. If you would like more information about Wine Guardian's ceiling-mounted cooling systems, contact one of our product specialists or visit our website to find a distributor near you.